All right, good afternoon, everyone. My name is John Paul. Today is August the 2nd, 2011. I have been watching this market tank for the last 2 days now, and I've gotten a lot of emails based on the Atlas line and how accurately it predicted the drop intraday of the last few days. So this video is going to explain to you how the Atlas line caught these moves. I want to show it to you, as well as all the other signals that the Atlas line provides. So the first thing you can see here, as soon as the day started, we have a double bar short, a bounce short, and a bounce short. Why do we have these signals? Well, the Atlas line acts as support and resistance, as well as a directional strategy. And what you see here is price bouncing off of the Atlas line right there 4 times, which is telling me, telling everyone who has the Atlas line, that it's hitting this resistance and it's about to turn around. So we have these orders that are displayed on our chart, and they actually popped up and said time to go short, 1278 quarter, 1278.50, 1276.50. All these orders correspond to what you see here. As far as it hitting, the closing price is our entry. Double bar short, the closing price is our entry. This is also an entry here, bounce trade. And so as the market started going down and down and down, and I'm doing my classes, I'm seeing these trades, everyone is taking 2-3 points off of the Emini market, as well as the euro had very similar moves. I see that we have a pullback. Now my definition of a pullback, and I teach this in the how-to webinar that I do with everyone who purchases the Atlas line. I want to make sure that you clearly understand how to trade the Atlas line on Emini or crude or euro, whatever the case may be. What I see here are 2 candles pulling back, hence this is my Atlas line pullback trade. And as soon as we have the first red candle reaffirming the trend down, which is this guy right here, I'm short again. Remember, we are below the Atlas line, and therefore all my trades are short based on just following the Atlas line trades short. So I have here a short trade here again. You can see what happened. It went straight down. Again, 1, 2, pull back. We're below the Atlas line. I'm short again, the close of this red bar. This here is another pullback, 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's take a look here. This is a good trade short. I have a filtering mechanism that I use, making sure that each trade that I take is lower than my previous trade, and therefore this closing price is my entry. A good trade, another good trade. Here we have another pullback. Here's my entry. Went up a little bit. Should have been out here at about break even as it came down. So this is August 2nd. Here's another one right here. Right there. Now, this is today, and so let me show you what happened yesterday, because typically I like to show multiple days of my Atlas line or my power price action working consecutively, so I'm not just picking and choosing days. You can see that this is consistent. So here we have yesterday, August 1st, 2011, Monday, and you can see that as the day started, right here, it's telling you to short 1292.50. This text display does pop up and tells you this is where you need to go short as the market just tanked. Okay. Now, if you remember what an Atlas line pullback is all about, again, I see it happening right here. Here's 1, and here's 2. 2 consecutive bars pulling back. I have my pullback. The first red bar, I'm going short. There it is. I'm short, plain and simple. Price action is what I'm following. I'm not following anything else. And so because we're below the Atlas line, again, I'm going short, and you can see what happened. So I wanted to show you here 2 days of just pure movement to the downside. It was caught early on right there, as soon as it popped up, as well as today, August 2nd. I'm having a webinar tomorrow morning. I'm sorry, actually it's tomorrow afternoon, Wednesday, August 3rd. I'm going to go over a few trades. I'm going to show you the Atlas line. I'm going to show you the power price action trades. So it's a combination of teaching and showing you these methods in action. All right, so it's tomorrow at 5 o'clock Eastern Standard. Hope to see you there. My name is John Paul. Day Trade to Win. Thank you.